Alright, I'm sad to say that the perch slayer shack this season has just not been producing. So that's forced us to kind of get out of our comfort zone, be a little more adventurous, and go after different species that may be biting, like rainbow, walleye, and whitefish, and what have you. Today we're going to go over past Treasure Island. It's actually called Whitefish Channel on the maps. And we're going to fish for whitefish middle of the day, and maybe even get a jumbo perch or two before we try and hit up walleye later tonight. So we're going by Treasure Island. It's a beautiful day. It's about minus 10 outside, a little bit of a northwest wind at 40, so we'll be in the tent and see if we can get some whitefish to come into the sonar and the panoptic. All right, 37 feet here off of Treasure Island. That's the government dock that way, and there are some locals here that fish this pretty hard just because of the amount of whitefish that you can catch here on any given day. So check it out.
Life offers no guarantees, but the one thing we've learned for sure is that the time we have is indeed precious. The more time we spend with family, friends, and with nature can make the difference between living a good life and living a great one. Join us on our quest to be participants rather than observers, to learn from our mistakes, to share our successes and our failures, as we spend all of the time we have chasing our dreams, fueling our passion, and fueling the fire in the great outdoors.
He's coming way up, way up. They're chasing it like crazy. I'm gonna let it drop again. There he is. Oh, my drag is a little set for perch. The vibrato. I don't want to give him. Oh, it's a good one too. He took the top bait. Ayo! Ayo, it's got me. All right, this is exactly what we're after. Lake Mindemoya whitefish, right in the Whitefish Channel. I got a buddy, well, lots of locals fish this, but Alex Kandari is one of them, and he's been doing okay out here. That's an awesome specimen for Lake Mindemoya. Here we go. First, I just dropped it right on. I'm trying this. This is a little bit of a bigger presentation, but it looks like we had some perch down there. So I thought maybe we'd try and pick up a perch or two. And I just put on an attractant egg. And then we always have about 6-8 inches up there, sometimes a foot, like a little bug with like a little maggot or a grub attached to it. So we use that. We use this. This is a cool setup. It's a little bit of a further distance from the actual lure that's hitting the dirt. So when that lure hits the dirt like that, right, I can, if they're not hitting this, and I can see, because on the optics you can see both baits, if they're not hitting this, we can drop that in the dirt, and then you can just kind of bounce this one around while this one is kicking up a little bit of sand. But again, you know, we've got a hook up high just with a little you know, power bait, a power grub on there.
but I think this is like I think it's a blue fox, or it's kind of like a bucktail, but it's just a small one. And yeah, those are the types of setups that we use. You can try anything on there. You can mix this up too. You can even put a vibrato down here, right? So you've got this, and that vibrato, as you know, vibrates as you're bringing it up through the water column. And we bring that right up to like halfway through the water column, and then let it drop back down, and then you just rip it all the way through there. I find here that these smaller ones are a little bit more effective, but I mean, I don't think it doesn't really matter, because lots of times they're trying to get that top one. But yeah, that's what we're doing for these whitefish today on Lake Mindemoya. I had to put that right in the dirt in order to get that off the ground. It didn't want the buckshot, it wanted the bloodworm. It's fighting pretty good. It might be Ling. No, it's a nice whitefish. Almost lost it. But yeah, whitefish. Okay, so now I know what the deal is. Perfect.
And this one for it. Oh, there he is again.
This guy feels good, dude.
Ooh. It's giving you a bit of a fight.
I don't know what that is. Is that better?
Yeah, that's a lot better.
And then use that, take that other light out.
Oh no. Oh no.
Dude, this, I don't understand what's going on here. Dude, I can't get him. I gotta fix my tension here. Like, look at how far he is on the... I don't know what this is, bro.
Oh yeah, it's a big ling.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a big ling. It's big. It's a real nice size.
Because it feels big. Dude, look at the size of this thing. Oh, he doesn't want to stretch out, but that's him. That's a good fish. I love eating ling. These things are delicious. That's awesome. He's a monster. That was right in the dirt when I got him. Like, it was right in the dirt. We didn't even see him. Look at, there's another one down there. Let's get these lines back down, dude. Oh, he came in hard. That's gotta be, that has to be a ling. There's no way that is anything but a ling. Because he is fighting. Like, he's swimming away with it. Come on. Get up here. Okay, we're getting closer to the top, but no, it's still way down there. Okay, here we go. Get him up here. But yeah, so good eating ling. Freshwater lobster, as some people call it. Oh, that went right in my mouth. Okay, that's disgusting. You get outside, you dirty dog.
I did not need to get that in my mouth. Oh, there's another one right here. That could be a whitefish. Oh! Oh, it's gotta be another ling. That's going to be another burbot because he's pulling hard. I don't think he's as big as the other one, but he's pulling as hard. For sure. For sure he is. I love the way these fish fight. Like he's pulling hard on the ice. Not as big, but just as big of an attitude. Just as big of an attitude as that guy. That's his sibling. That's his bigger sibling. Hang on, hang on. Hang on. When they come in and hit, they hit hard.
Nibbled on it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn.
He's still there, he's still there.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's in the back there.
Oh, he wants it. Bastards.
He's come back, he's come back, he's come back. Oh, he's coming in to find him.
He's gonna hit it.
Yes! Got him! Just came charging right in. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, it's a nice whitefish. Here we go. Nice
That took a
whitefish.
while.
Yeah, it took a while. That took a little bit of work. We were working on those for, what was it, at least half an hour. At least. We were just coming in and out, getting spooked. And that guy just came in.
We're gonna pack up because it is mid-afternoon. We might go check out the perch slayer shack. Or maybe even go get ready for some late evening walleye. But you know, we caught 2 whitefish out here. We saw lots. I got a nice ling, probably 5 pounds or better. Again, on that little setup, all of the fish were caught. Well, that's what we were using today. Was a heavier lure on the bottom with a little hook up high for when those fish maybe become attracted to the bottom lure when it's hitting the dirt, but then they're looking for just that little benum up high, and there's usually a grub on there. So as usual, you know, we're out here fueling our passion, we're fueling the fire, and we're getting outdoors. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time on Fuel the Fire TV.